Meron kami tour sa Cadore Farm. At sa inyo ay mukhang libre, kaya nakakasama kami mga kapatid. Samahan mo kami sa adventure. Ito yung mga kasama. 5 kami. So, enjoy na enjoy ang mga. Ayan.
Siyempre, LD sa libre.
Libre po kasi kaya. Ito lahat na mga yan. So, tingnan natin kung anong magiging activity for today's video. Ayan na po, post office po ng Central. Dito kami nag-start. Anong oras na yun ba? 9:57 po kami umalis dito. So, free tour lang po ito mga katropas. Pinalad tayong makasama sa mga ganitong activities dito sa Hong Kong. Sa ganitong day off, minsan-minsan ay sumama tayo sa mga ganap para hindi naman tayo laging nagpukuskus lang ng CR. Gumala naman tayo. Ayan, mga nagpapaganda na yung aking mga kasama. May mga lipstick na sila, mga retouchable. Ako walang retouchable mga katropas. Enjoy! Ang tataasan ng mga building today. Tingnan natin kung mamaya ang taas pa rin ang building, baka puro nagubat ang ating tataas. Mga katropas, anong oras na? 10:31. So 30 minutes ang biyahe. Ayun, may pagi-pagi na doon. So magsisipabaan na. Hello mga katropas! Welcome to Cadore Farm! Medyo nakakapagod mga katropas sa Bukana pa lang. Umpisa pa lang ng aming journey. Papunta pa lang po kami sa taas. Hindi namin alam kung ano ang meron at bakit ito ay libre. So, let's go! Let's go! Oh, kasing tangkad ng ating videographer mga katropapits. Ay, inano ko na kanina. Ito. So mga katropapits, may puso ng saging po na nag-iisa lang po rito. Mas malaki pa po ang aking muka. Okay, let's go. Ito. Good morning. Have a nice day. Thank you. Oh. Ito yung may wildlife sighting, nature appreciation. Oh, ito yung ano, KFPG is a nature reserve area. So ito yung may mga activities po dito. Cadore Farm and Botanic Garden Map. Ganda. Tapos ito. So ito yung mga... Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman. Magpipicture tayo dyan ng buo. Mga katropa-pits. Ito na yung pinaka-entrance ng...
ito yung
pinaka-entrance ng farm. Wow, farm. Medyo malamig pa siya. Which is, I like it. Kasi malamig siya.
mga kapatid. Ayan.
At ang rockstar ko, consistent pa. Ay,
Hindi siya nakatime, ha? Kasi magsalita.
So, pupunta muna tayo ng restroom.
Day, magkano pa tuon yan, Day? Papatterfly mo, Day. 500 pesos. As in, ganyan, 500. Kaya lang, Day. Kaya lang yung sakit, Day. Wala pa akong tattoo, Day. Wala pa akong tattoo.
Wag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo. Wag mong subukan. Women's toilet. Toilet muna tayo. Mga katropa-pits, after naming mag-restroom, mag-gather daw ang all at mag-picture. May sinasabi ang instructor. Hindi na namin narinig ang sinabi. Ay. Aray ko. Watch out for these. Ah, meron doong cafe. Gusto niyo ng cafe. Ito yung mga nag-hiking dati. Growing your own foods will help happiness and harmonies with nature. Ay, ganda nito. Ay, ano pala siya? Bones. Ito sige lang. Ito.
This one is real.
This one is the specimen of
Ah,
white boar.
Wild.
White boar. You can see
Wild
them in
boar
some
hair.
countries.
Ano yung, ano ba yun sa atin?
So
Mabiro mo,
remember,
mabiro mo yung tayo.
so remember, don't feed them when you see them because they actually they will find the food.
This
That,
real.
Oh, real yan.
this is this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mabiro mo nga yan sa atin.
It's a wild.
White boar. Yes.
This one thing.
This one is.
Oh my god. I'm not going to guess it. This one? Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Yes. You can see them in.
Once there, you can go to there, go to the stair, and just finish.
Ah.
Yeah. The nearest center.
So if they saw people, they are like
They,
they're harmful.
Barking deer.
Mm.
Barking deer. We have
Barking.
2 barking deer in upside. Yes. And then they actually they will not harm people because they
Oh.
are afraid of people. So
They will
yes,
hide.
Yeah, they will hide actually. So we shouldn't take the initiative to
Yeah.
get close to them because they are wild animals.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
should
I know.
Keep some distance.
Distance.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
This is farm is long years ago.
Yes.
How many years?
From since 1994.
Wow.
Yeah, and they save so many wild animals like injured. People will
Ah,
save
they
them
save
here.
and
Yeah.
save. Oh, okay.
If the injured animals are cured, then they will send them back to
Back
the nature.
to the wild- to the nature.
If
Oh.
unfortunately they need some help here, then they will stay here, and then the.
Oh, so
keeper
this one
will-
is like you first cure the
Yes.
illnesses of wild animals and then
Yes.
taken care of and then release it. after.
Yes, the most
Oh,
ideal.
thank you so much.
Yes, the most ideal is they can get back to the nature. Yeah.
It's nice.
Yes, and they have saved already 73,000 animals already.
Wow,
Yeah.
already saved here.
Yes.
So that's why you are you are holding like this, like free tour.
We are the volunteers. Like,
Volunteers.
Yeah, we are volunteers, and then there are some staff here actually take care of the animals.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
And the
nice to know about.
animals- Yes, and the animals here are those who are unfortunately ill. Yeah, and they will stay in the zoo like this area
yes, in this area.
until they.
And then release it.
Yeah.
Ah, thank you so much. Nice to know about it.
Yeah.
Because we came here, we don't have idea actually. We only know that we just only hiking and then do some activities, but we don't know that there is some kind of.
There's so many wild animals here. You
Oh.
can go around and see. It's,
Nice to know about.
amazing.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
I'm sure.
My name is Maya. Sure.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. How old are you? You're so young.
I'm 27.
Oh, so young. Thank you for the
Thank
volunteer.
you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much, Charlie. Oh, it's like a mama. And also this one is a birds. Ghost net. Hitting. Oh, okay. So,
when you see some birds,
yes.
maybe you can see so many birds in the city area. So when you really meet some that is injured,
Okay.
so this shows how to treat them.
Oh, yeah. Abstract environment.
This is a sample of the dark environment for the injured animals.
Oh, the injured and then.
Because when they stay in the light area, they will feel afraid. If you look there, they will stay in the dark area.
Oh,
They will make them feel comfortable.
this is very nice.
Just some paper balls you can find at the package store or whatever. Just balls and put them in with towel, so they will feel comfortable inside. Remember
To make it warm.
yes.
Yeah, warm and feel safe.
To feel safe.
They will feel less stressful because some animal will die of
Yeah.
stress.
Oh,
So when you put them and take them to the right center to
oh,
treat them.
we treat them. Yeah, like this. It's nice to know about this. We don't have idea.
Yeah. So you will be some. Hong Kong have many animals.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And you know how to treat them.
Oh. Thank you so much for taking. It's so nice. It's okay. I just with a record. I'm just posting in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
This two is the birds net and the fish hook.
It's a fish
So they are the birds when they go fish go find their food and they may some just encounter the hook.
Oh.
And when they pick the fish,
And-
they
yeah.
pick the hook,
And-
and when they eat the fish,
So it will harm. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense.
Let's see. When they stay walk in the walk, they seaside and they
And then-
just trap by the net and they will just.
Oh. So it make them dangerous. These two.
So we
Because apparently they are hunting the food. Like if they see the fish. But then the fish have a hook, so
This will show how it goes inside.
the hook. Oh, so that's why, and then you can recover that.
We need to take
Yeah,
to the hospital.
yeah. Amazing. That's not just how just now I know that you can treat this like you can survive. You can save the birds even though they swallow this one. Amazing. Wow, it's so nice that it have some this kind of what is that you call this? It's an animal center or a farm taking care of the animals. Yeah.
It's not a zoo, but
Yeah, it's not a zoo. It's like
this is actually primarily farm and garden. So they are really a licensed
they focus on saving all the animals.
from the government.
Yeah,
Permit them to do the rescue work because us just proper. We cannot do without limit.
Yeah. So the
we
government
keep
fund this.
now. Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Funding, but we have a treatment, professional treatment to do this way. If we do, we are breaking the rules.
Oh yeah, I know that.
So we cannot do by ourselves.
Oh, this one is. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. The information is very wild now. Oh, this is a real snake.
Yes.
Common rat snake. Whoa. This is their skin.
It's when the snake grow up, the skin will not grow.
Yeah.
When they grow up, they have to take
Yeah. They will change their body like skin and then become. Wow.
Yeah, then they will grow out the new skin.
Just now I see the real skin. Actually, I never seen this in real, like real. So what is this inside here?
This is the bird neck.
Ah.
You can see this bird neck is formed of not just the.
This is the one like you rescue it, rescue, and then this is from their body that you pick it.
Actually, they do some just fall down and no more come to take over it.
Yeah.
So when we see it, no birds take it away. So we can just.
So this is
You can see this the trash.
yeah the trash.
Go outside and throw away
Yeah,
the trash.
throw away the trash.
Then the bird would pick up this trash
Yeah.
with their nest.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So also together. Oh.
Yes, sometimes the small bird they will check by this trash and
Yeah.
they will hurt.
Oh, so it harm their body.
Yes.
Because this is So have a listen to them.
We should not just abandon the rubbish in a appropriate way. We can just put the rubbish in the right.
Yes, in the restaurant.
So
So the bird cannot pick up in it. Yeah. It's really nice idea of this kind of setup.
you see many,
So people-
many building materials. Also,
Yes.
The bamboo stick.
Yeah, bamboo stick.
Yeah, it's just on a repairment site. You can see many no-use.
Yes. Oh.
So they just live there.
So just live there. They don't care about the environment.
Yeah.
So, so this is the sample that we should be taking care of the environment. Like, don't throw that trash anywhere, right?
Just short.
Yeah. Oh, this is their. Oh, this is the Collard Scopes owl. This is owl. Wow.
So when you join the tour today, just walk around and you will see a live owl. Very upset.
Wow. So we will go up high later. Sure, I will go up. Go. Come on, Crystal Wing. This is the wing. Thank you so much.
Many of these animals.
Can I take one? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, we will enjoy together. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Mga katrapapit, sinati kami sa dalawang grupo. Yung group 2 is sila yung mauna sa yoga. Kami namang group 1 ay sa drawing kami. Drawing activity muna. Para hindi tayo pagpawisan agad. Mamaya na yung pawis sa huli. So drawing muna tayo. Aba, pag ba sinabing drawing ang mata, di bilugan. Iba. Sa drawing tayo mga bay. Flower.
Ang dami pa doon sa taas.
Makakarating tayo dyan sa bundok.
Mula-mula damot.
Daming mga gulay rin. Magpansit na. Merong ano.
Saan?
Ayun may anong tawag dyan? Ismail kinchay. Ayun Ano ba tawag yan sa baylin? Kalimutan. Unsoy! Ayun, may unsoy! Dwarf date farm.
Dwarf date.
Please do not enter for your safety. Okay. Ay, ang ganda ng hangin. The weather is perfect. Oh. Sunshine Hall. Plants and us greenhouse. Ito malalearn namin to. Ay, may ano.
At least nakapunta tayo dito ng... Ang yellow! Wow! Yellow market! Yellow market! Purple rose. Anta, agi ko atay mama. Pink. Pink sa...
Indoor, ano ba tawag dito? Parang saan yata ito sa Europe ah. Ganito sa Europe may mga gani-gani rin. Hindi naman ang pathway. Ito, maraming mga unsoy, mga katrapapits. Pari unsoy, ayan. Unsoy ito.
Ito yung ano?
Unsoy. Unsoy yan sa Cavite. Oh, kalamansi.
Ate,
Kalamansi. Oh, orchids. Farm nga, indeed. Stuff only. Oh, dito tayo. Wow. Bundok. Kalain mo yan. Orchid greenhouse. Ay, wow. Bongga. Ganda. Aba, nasa lubong natin si Pogi rin eh. Ba si Pogi biglang lumusot rin eh. Talagang inikot lang tayo, meron pala shortcut. Hello!
1,000 pang complete. Wala na sa akin.
Hello!
Hindi nga may gift na ano dito. Oo nga, parang sarili natin ang mundo.
Ay, ito mga pako. Pako yan, pako. Pako.
Adaw, good na. Agala kayo.
Maggata na kayo ng suso. Lagay nyo na yan. Libre pako dito mga bay.
Hindi pa ko ito ano first.
Kami dito sa Cadore Farm. Ayan. Nandito yung kanilang pinaka-hospital ng mga nire-rescue nila. Yung nire-rescue nila ng mga animals, wild animals. Meron sila dito. Ang ganda ng weather. The weather is perfect actually. Ayan. O dito na, magdo-drawing class na kami mga bay. So tingnan natin kung marunong ba tayong mag-drawing. Ang ganda ng weather. Perfect. Mountain room.
Hindi naman tayo na pagod sa yoga. Pero pagod din mo sa
Mamaya mag-yoga rin tayo dahil. Ito na, drawing. Drawing kami dito mga bay. Yeah. Ayan, dito naman kami sa yoga. Tapos na kami sa drawing. Yoga na. Lagyan natin yung gamit. Pag nasa labas. So, ito yung aming meal. Open mo nga yung meal natin. Diyan ko lang. Ay, ayan. Vegetarian kami. Ayan po. Mayroon daw mga spice nga daw doon. So, tapos na kami sa aming yoga. Ay, nag-toilet na rin. And then after that, nakain kami ng aming vegetarian. And then, added sauce na. Oh, ayan ba, sauce. Tama. Chara. Ito. Tara na, let's eat.
Let's eat, pansit. Breakfast, lunch, kada dinner. Yung mali at picture lang ng mga mangan. Ala,
Tuloy ang kain ba?
Diba?
Meron kaming baon, pero ito yung palunch nila.
Lagi may sindahan na dapat. Dapat.
Nimol.
At least libre ano, libre sa mga. Wala. Libre sa mga pag kumain.
Mga katropapis, tapos na kaming mag-lunch at nakita nyo naman yung view. Pagi-pagi mga katropapis. Pagi-pagi na yun. Ayan. Whoa! Pagdel. Tapos na kami sa aming lunch and we're heading to our next activity. I don't know which one. But they are giving us a treasure hunt booklet each of us. So, let's see. Mga katropapis, we're heading to the mountain to find the treasure. Okay? So, let's go! Let's go mga katropapits! Walang mawawala sa atin. Let's go together! So mga katropapits, pagka daan namin sa sa A12, nag-grab kami ng yung tawag doon. QR code. Ayan. Ganda. Breathtaking Ow. Continue walking kami mga katropits. Dumaan mga para mag-picture. And napaka-foggy ah. Oscar.
Yes? What happened to you?
Parot. Ang bahay ng parot oh. Ayan. Hello. Fruit forest. Parrot Sanctuary. Kasi nandoon yung parrot nga. May question nga dito, did you see some colorful birds? Wow. Yung mga tunog ng ibon oh.
Animal ano to?
Parrot Sanctuary. Boyfriend. Gabriel. Huh?
Kaya nga treasure hunt, di ba? Maghanap.
Doon na tayo. Wala.
Hindi sa ganda. Yung treasure nga.
Ayun yung parrot. Ayun sila sa taas. Treasure nga kami hinahanap dito eh.
Ito nga yung part. Yung pangkos.
Yung QR code. QR code hanapin.
Treasure hunt, di ba? Tingnan nyo kasi baka andyan lang. Baka dito sa kahoy. Ano ba? Meron silang kinukuskus kung baka doon. Ayun yata oh. Ayun na. Andiyan mo pala din eh.
Ayun, nagkakuskus sila doon. Tara.
Doon diyan. Wala na. Dito pala, dito.
Nandoon daw. Puno. Ito. Ayan yan. Dito na kami sa Parrot Sanctuary.
Kos pamor ka mo.
Ating treasure ay matapos. Kami ay pabaliktad. Nauna kami sa 12 and then 11. Paurong kami mga katapos. Paurong. So nakita nyo naman kanina puno. Ngayon naman nagkukurting parrot. So mukhang nasa right way tayo. Okay. Na mga katropabits. Enjoy nyo lang yung pagkukuskus dyan. Tandaan nyo, nasa pangalawa pa lang tayo. Kailangan bumaba tayo. 3:30 daw. Ano ba? 3:30 nasa ano na tayo.
Don't worry, everything is under control.
Okay mga katropabits. No kaya premium nito. Charot. Tinitira na po mga katropabits ni Madam Russell Babe. Tinitira na po ang treasure. Tumira na sila. Pag yan, naghulmang kuneho. Ay, matakot kayo. Ay. May mga ibon-ibon. Parot. May mga parot dito. Ito mga parot. Live display. Tara. Pasok tayo. Tignan natin kung ano ang meron sa stream live. Oh, ito pala. Along the Lanchan River. Pala rito mga maliliit na palata. May pisugo pa yata rito. Hello. Can you find me? Yes, I find you. Big-headed turtles in the wild are apex predators in the stream community. They do not have natural enemies in Hong Kong. Human poaching is the biggest threat the big-headed turtles are facing. Big-headed turtle. Okay. So, nagkukuskus na tayo sa ating number 5. 55. Wow. Maganda pag maraming puno. Ano? Diba? Pagka may punong ganito, maganda. Ano naman yung nandito? Ano ang nandyan? Ahas? Wow! Gigi! Ahas dito, Gigi. Biglang may manuklaw sa atin, ano? Ano lang pala? Luno. Wow. Bahay ng ahas. Biglang may tumukol sa atin dito. Asan ba ang ahas rito? This animal has been taken off this place temporarily. Please visit again later. Visit again later daw. So wala. Wala. Tinanggal kasi nga kinakain yung mga napasok. Ano ba? Ano ng ahas? Katawan. So ano itong lumalabas sa ating QR code?
Laba.
Laba?
Laba cake. Laba.
Ayun. Nag-iisip daw ng 4 lines of poem. Anong ginawa ng mga kanta? Lava. Okay. May kangkong dito mga katropics. Nandito kami sa Sunflower Station.
Ganun yun ah.
Kita ubra na.
Kunin nyo na yan ah. Makuulog na.
Next to the Streamlight display.
You hold.
Wait,
Ah.
Sunflower.
Hold me tight.
Hold me tayo. Falling me die. Shit daw. Mga katropics, tapos na kami sa aming adventure for today. Binigyan na kami ng complimentary admission ticket. Valid until December 31, 2025. So mga katropics, kami ay papunta na sa my bus.
Ano na yung ano
Bus
na natin?
station
Babalik
na.
ka na sa all things bright
Oo.
and beautiful.
Punta na kami doon. At 3:45 aalis ang bus. So kailangan hindi kami malate mga katropics. So nag-enjoy naman ako sa aming tour. May pa-tour. Ito nga, pasok ko nga ito. Hindi yung mga flowers. Ano pa yun? Wow. Mga orchid. Mga orchid. Punta na ako doon. Papasok na tayo mga katropics. May kapapistol dito. Rinig mo ba yung mga tunog ng mga animals? Yung cutie animals, birds, mga something kuliglig. Separate na kami into two bus. Si tatay, nakakangkang lang dito by nature. Nakakangkang lang si tatay into by nature.
Paano na? Pabalik naman.
1, 2, 3.
Dito po.
Ano yung babay?
Dito po, baba po tayo. Dahan-dahan kayo ah. Do not enter daw. Ay, nakapapasok tayo rito eh. Dito na ako nakadaan.
Itong pila ng sentral mo.
Paiti la.
Dito yung sentral mo.
Di ba doon sa baba mismo tayo? Sa baba tayo maghintay?
Dito ba?
Dito ba?
Dito.
Ayan o. Kita ulo mo! Kita ka.
Lagay mo ka muna dito.
Ay. Kasing tangkad ng ating videographer mga katropa pets. Ay, inano ko na yan kanina. Eto.
Ito yung saging.
So mga katropa pets, may puso ng saging po na nag-iisa lang po rito. Mas malaki pa po ang aking muka. Okay, let's go. Exciting na po ang mga kababayan natin. Alam nyo naman, pag libre, andun ang mga tao pag libre. Kaya talaga. So mga katropa pets, kaya na ulit kami.
Wala nang kami.
Ayan na. Sa pagkakataong ito, nandito kami sa front row. So diba, okay na yan. Nauuna na kami. Ayan. Welcome to the bus. Yan na, babay na sa Kadori Farm. Diyan kami, nagpunta-punta kami dyan mga katropa pits. Sinuot-suot namin ang kagubatan. At kami ay papunta na. Uuwi na.
Papunta dito tayo po.
Bukit.
Paano ka makapunta?